on, guys, is this an adventure or what? Oh, there's so many!
Another one gone.
Mini golfing.
Wow. Nice try.
Welcome back to Adventures of Troy. Today we are going to be reviewing my 3D printer. I wanted to do this video a few months ago, but we didn't have time for it really. So I'm going to review the Flashforge AD5X. That's what it's called. And if you're wondering why the screen looks different, it's because I'm on an iPad and not the camera. So let's get to it. Guys, so we're in my room with the printer, and the noise is from the printer. So I'm gonna show you guys it real quick, and I'll show you the software and what you need to know. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. It is printing like it's a manual fan, so you can spin the fan yourself. I have some filaments. You need filaments to do the 3D prints, so it won't work if you don't do it. The menu is pretty simple. The home is where it shows you what you're printing. You can click this button and it will take you to all your past prints. And then this shows you your filaments. This is the settings where you could do like different stuff, connect to the internet. And the info tab is where you can get info on like updates and stuff. That's pretty much it. It's not too complicated, but since it is in my bedroom, if you have it in your bedroom or somewhere where a lot of people are, you should always keep your fan on and open. Now for the software, it's pretty cool. It used to be really bad, but they updated it and changed it, so it's better now. So this is what it looks like once you get something. This is like, you could see all your prints, which I did the NBA trophy. I don't need to explain that. In Bowser, it shows you some models from like different 3D printing apps that you can print. So it's pretty cool if you click on it. It's never done that, but usually it tells you to download it. Recents just shows you your recents. Models shows you all these models. You can search random stuff. And you can go to collections. I haven't really checked this out, but I think it's where you can put together a bunch of stuff. Or no, I think it's your account. Like, you can post stuff so people can download it. You get followers. There's this points section where I guess you can like use them for coupons or something. Feedback, just you talk to about your feedback, but I'll show you how to use it. So first, you come over here, click prepare, which I have this fan, but I'm gonna quickly delete it. What you need to do to find a printer or a print job is you need to go to a good 3D printing website, which I like to use Maker World, so I will. When you get into Maker World, you'll have to create an account and stuff mostly. It's not too complicated. You just type in your email and you can make a password for it. But once you get in, there's a bunch of cool prints you can do, which they just pop up on your screen. And for this video, to just give you guys an example, we're gonna do Tung 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 Sahur. So what you gotta do to get it is you click on it, you download these files, click download all, and then it's you come over here, it's right here, it's gonna be right here. You don't really click on anything, so now you're gonna close the tab. You need to go to this folder, click on this. Now you click on downloads. You can find Tung 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 Sahur right here. So what you're gonna have to do is click on this. You have to left click it, or no, right click it. Yeah, right click it. Click extract all, extract. And once you do that, close this tab and you need to go back to Flashforge app. Once you're there, create a new thing, and then you go to File, click on Import, click on, I don't know what this is, just random stuff, but then you click on Downloads. Oh, not that. Click on Tung 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 Sahur, click on this, and then you click on Open, and then it's loading it. and you can pick the colors for Tong 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 Sahur. Some prints don't let you do this, so I'll pick this one. Blah 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 blah. Actually, you could skip it if you don't want to do that, which I'll do for now. And now you got him. So now what you have to do is click slice plate. And now it's like generating a bunch of stuff, which I think this print will need support, so I have that on. All you have to do is it'll start on quality, turn it to supports, and then click on enable supports, and then you're good. So now Tong 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 Sahur says it'll take 55 minutes to print. Now you click on print plate, you select what filament type you want, which it'll show 2 or more if you want more. You click what filament, so I'll just do like an example of red. Actually, it's not letting me for some reason. Oh, it's because my printer is doing a job right now. It's printing the fan. But if it didn't do that, it would show you the colors that you have, the filaments that you have. So then it will automatically have enable IFS on, which that's all I use. You can look into all this other stuff on the app too. I don't really do that though. Then you click send, it will send it to your printer. And by the way, you have to match your printer and your laptop or computer or whatever you're using for it. And then you send it, and then it'll go over to the computer. But I'm not gonna do it right now. And that's basically it for the Flashforge AD5X. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Peace. By the way, we are gonna start making a lot more videos because my dad has been very busy with work lately, so that's why we haven't been posting a lot. But I'm actually starting to do it on the iPad. So we will actually be doing like 2 videos a week now, so stay tuned for that. But hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Peace.